How do I franchise my business? So you have a business which is already successful and are considering franchising the business to grow, but how do you franchise a business? We are experts at helping businesses to franchise, and we guide clients through the following steps. Feasibility study. First, we need to learn about your business to see if it can be franchised. Is it profitable, transferable, and can it operate in different areas? Documentation. Franchising a business requires a lot of documentation. This will include trademark protection and franchise documents such as agreements, franchise operations manuals, training manuals, and business plans including financial forecasts. Recruitment. Many franchises fail because they are unable to recruit suitable franchisees. Recruiting is time-consuming, lead conversion is often under 5%, and leads can be very expensive. Our clients receive free lead generation from Franchise UK, a leading franchise portal that we own. Would you like to learn more? Request a free initial consultation with an expert.